Hi guys, today we are going to show you a tutorial. Let's go to Geometridash. Oops, the music is low. Our tutorial for today is how to make some moons thingy, like plasma balls. All you have to do is do this. You can make a bigger one like this, but I'll choose this. Then do this. Then rotate until it is finished. This may take a while. Now set them to any color. And set them to any color too. But it has to be dark. I'll choose blue. And check blending. And make your background black. Oops. We forgot the most important step. Copy and paste it. Rotate it if you want. I'll rotate it more. There. We have something like a plasma ball. Let's check it out. Isn't it beautiful? That's how you make a plasma ball. You can also make a moon like this. The other one is blending, and the other one is set to color too, with black. Now it's a moon. Is it beautiful? Let's check it out again. Okay, thanks for viewing this video. Bye. Please like and subscribe if you want to. Okay guys, bye.